Using minilzo in Delphi. How to use the minilzo library written in ANSI C in your Delphi application without a DLL introduction. LZO is a lossless compression algorithm that offers extremely fast decompression speed while giving you a decent compression ratio. I've read that LZO is twice as fast as ZLib at decompressing while only have about 5% less compression ratio. minilzo is a library from the author of LZO that includes LZO1x_1 compression and LZO1x decompression. I've compiled it to an .obj file that can be linked into a Delphi unit using the $link/$l compiler directive. Below you'll find the complete unit. minilzo is distributed under the GNU public license, so naturally this code is GNU licensed too. Note: for detailed instructions on how to use these functions, please visit the official LZO homepage at http://www.obrumor.com/opensource/LZO. //begin unit //unit LZO interface //c routines needed by the linked LZO OBJ file function _memic s1 s2 pointer numBytes LongWord integer decl procedure _mempy s1 s2 pointer n integer decl procedure _memov dstP srcP pointer numBytes LongWord decl procedure _memz s pointer c byte n integer decl $link minilzo.obj function LZO1x_1_compress const source pointer SourceLength LongWord Dest pointer var DestLength LongWord WorkMem pointer integer stdcall external function LZO1x_decompress const source pointer SourceLength LongWord Dest pointer var DestLength LongWord WorkMem pointer asterisk not used integer stdcall external function LZO1x_decompress_save const source pointer SourceLength LongWord Dest pointer var DestLength LongWord WorkMem pointer not used asterisk integer stdcall external function LZO_adler32 adler LongWord const buff pointer len LongWord stdcall external function LZO_version, word, stdcall, external, function LZO_version_string, pchar, stdcall, external, function LZO_version_date, pchar, stdcall, external, implementation procedure _memz, s, pointer, c, byte, n, integer, decl, begin filchar, s caret, n, c, and, procedure _mempp, s1, s2, pointer, n, integer, decl, begin move, s2 caret, s1 caret, n, and, function _memp, s1, s2, pointer, numBytes, LongWord integer, decl, var I, integer, p1, p2, caret byte, begin p1 equals s1, p2 equals s2, for I equals 0 to numBytes -1 do begin if p1 caret p2 caret then begin if p1 caret then result equals -1 else result equals 1, exit, and, inc, p1, inc, p2, and, result equals 0, and, procedure _mem of, dstP, srcP, pointer, numBytes, LongWord, decl, begin move, srcP caret, dstP caret, numBytes, free mem, srcP, numBytes, and, // unit / the C mini LZO source, minilzo.obj and this unit can be downloaded from here. That's it. I apologize for my sometimes bad English and writing style.